Ndewonu ndị nke m, ka unu mere? Hello everyone, how are you doing my people? I am Adebina. Welcome back to my Igbo class. Before we start, I'd like to know how your learning is progressing. What challenges are you facing towards learning? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I would like to apologize for not responding to some of my mails on time. My notification settings got jumbled up and I didn't realize I had waiting mail. I have, however, resolved the issues and responded to everyone. Today, we're going to talk about simple phrases we can use at home. Kani bido. Let's get started. The first one is, where are you? Where are you? Ebe ka ino. Ebe ka ino. Ebe ka ino. Next one, where are you going to? Ebe ka ị na-aga? Ebe ka ị na-aga? I'm going to the market. Ana m aga ahịa. Ana m aga ahịa. Now, ana m aga is I am going to, and you can put wherever you're going to the next, right? Instead of ahịa. So, if I want to say I'm going to the market, I will say ana m aga ahịa. But if I want to say I'm going to school, for instance, I would say ana m aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ana m aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. So just remember, ana m aga is I'm going to, and then you can put wherever you're going to. All right? Okay. So the next one, are you going out? Ị na-apụ apụ. Ị na-apụ apụ. I am coming. Ana m abịa. Ana m abịa. I am going out. Ana m apụ apụ. Ana m apụ apụ. That's I am going out. Now the next one is, who is knocking? Onye na-akụ aka. Onye na-akụ aka. Who is knocking on the door? Onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Now, door is ụzọ, right? So, onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ is who is knocking on the door. Now, instead of saying that, you can also say, who is it? Ọ bụ onye? Ọ bụ onye? Now, a native Igbo speaker would often contract this to just ọ onye, ọ onye, ọ onye, ọ onye. All right, and the response would be, it is me. Ọ bụ m. Ọ bụ m. Again, a native would contract it to be ọmụ. Ọmụ. Mu being me. So ọmụ is the same thing as ọ bụ m. It is me. The next one is come in. Come in. Bata. Bata. Open the door. Mepee ụzọ. Mepee ụzọ. Close the door. Mechie ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ. All right. So we've come to the end of today's lesson. Ngwakọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so don't leave without clicking the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified immediately a new video drops. I'd love to hear from you, so please let me know what you enjoyed about this video in the comments section. Good day. Bye.